Here's how to set up welcome channel on Discord server. First, select your Discord server from the left-hand side. Under text channels, click the plus icon to create a new channel. Give it a name such as welcome and click create channel. Next, click the arrow next to your server name and select server settings. From the left-hand menu, click app directory and you will be taken to this page. Here, go to the search bar and search for Dino. Select the Dino app from the list, click Add App, then click on Visit Site. This will open the setup page in your web browser. First, select your Discord server, then scroll down and click Authorize. Once your server has been authorized, you'll be taken to the setup page. Just follow the quick setup steps, and once you're finished, you'll reach the main dashboard. From here, search for Welcome, turn on the Welcome toggle, and then click on Settings. Now, under Select Channel, choose the welcome channel you created earlier. Then, click Message to select it, and enter the custom welcome message you want new members to receive. If you scroll down, you can also use the available variables to personalize the message. Once you're finished, click Update. Now, whenever someone joins your Discord server, they'll automatically receive your custom welcome message in the welcome channel. As you can see, I'm now using my other account, and when I join the server, the custom welcome message is automatically sent to me. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.